pa rin bang mag-invest sa silver? Good morning mga madam! Marami ang curious about silver, lalo na mas accessible ito sa mga beginners. But the real question is, worth it ba ito for savings? O for short term lang? Around 50% plus ang demand nito ay galing sa industries tulad ng electronics at solar panels. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang paggamit worldwide. Approximately $30 or $40 in Canadian ang silver per gram ngayon. Kaya mas madaling simulan kahit mas maliit lang ang budget. Kung nagsisimula ka pa lang mag-build ng assets, silver is a practical first step. Hindi kailangang malaki agad. Start small and stay consistent. Follow me for more Gold Talk with Madam Goldigger's Jewelry, seller based in Canada. If you want to invest in gold or in silver, you can check out in our website at www.thegolddigger.ca. We also offer layaway payment plan with in-house financing or where now pay later via Affirm and Afterpay from 3 months hanggang 24 months. So ano pang hinihintay niyo? Mag-invest na kayo ng ginto or ng silver. This is Madam Goldigger reminding you that every smart investment today builds a stronger tomorrow. This is Madam Goldigger teaching you to wear your wealth with wisdom.